1964 Chevrolet Impala convertible here at Unique, especially in classics. Has had a repaint to red, black vinyl interior. Era correct 283 underneath the hood, D suffix code. Power steering, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, grille, headlight, surrounds. Now, if you'd like to see still pictures to check out that engine bay, take a little closer look at the interior. Over 100 pictures of this car online, top up, top down. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing torque thrust style wheels. Does also have a box with some miscellaneous parts. It does come with wheel covers. There's some miscellaneous ignition components there as far as distributor, like cap and rotor. And then also a car cover, as well as the parade boot. The parade boot does show its age, some little hole in it, black vinyl one. And I'll show you those when we get around to the back of the car. As you can see, black vinyl interior. Shows well, a little aftermarket gauge cluster, as well as a retro style aftermarket radio. White power top. It looks like a newer white vinyl top. We'll run that up at the end of the video so you can check that out too, as well as starting this car up so you can hear it run, and we'll take a look at the engine bay. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust. Good sounding 283 underneath the hood. And then as far as some of those miscellaneous things I was just talking about, there would be your parade boot to the convertible top cover, car cover, some miscellaneous parts like I said, ignition parts, and wheel covers. If you want to go back to more of a stock look. Once again, still pictures. Check this out from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a peek down the driver's side. And I'll take a look at the interior here in a second also. That is not a spot. Happens to be a fly on the car, if you notice that. And there he is again. All right, give you a good idea what the driver's side looks like here. A little closer look at the interior. Back seat, good shape, and there'll be pictures again online of the interior, both sides, front and back, every angle. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Oops. There we go, and as you can see, tack is working. Fuel gauge. Market gauges, oil pressure looks good, oil pressure gauge is working, voltmeter. It was a cold start, so I'm assuming the temp gauge is going to come up. I did have the wipers and the radio working earlier also. Take a look at the dash. You can hear that nice throaty exhaust note. No crazy cam or anything over the top. On this one, door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. You can hear that rumble. This car will definitely turn some heads with its sound and its looks. Let's go ahead and slip up here to the front, pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap it up with the convertible top. Again, power top. I'll run that up here after we check out the engine bay. Now we can get a look at it with the hood up. Aluminum radiator. Edelbrock carb. Again, power steering. Little engine dress up with the chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner cover. Heater hose is intact. There's a pigtail for a trickle charger on the battery already, FYI. Smooth running V8, sounds good. Alright, let me close up the hood. I'll get that top up and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up. Again, white vinyl. This is a power top. Went up under its own power. Looks like a newer top also, as you can see, pretty much free of really any staining, rips, tears, holes. As far as in the fabric, rear window, nice and clear. Come around here to the passenger side, see if that matches. And it sure looks like it does. So if you need to keep out of the sun, rain, whatever the case may be when you're out for a little cruise in the 64 Impala, it's going to serve the purpose. Looking for a drop top, here you go, 1964 Chevrolet Impala convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it.